Hey everyone, welcome back to Enviroscope, your go-to channel for environmental insights. Today I'm tackling an urgent issue that impacts our food security, water resources, and even our climate: the silent crisis of soil erosion and degradation. It's something that most of us don't think about until it's too late, but by the end of this video you'll understand why it's time we start paying attention. Soil erosion might sound like something small, but its consequences are massive. It's when the top layer of soil, where all the nutrients and organic matter live, is stripped away by natural forces like wind and water, or human activities like deforestation and industrial farming. And it's not just about losing dirt, it's about losing the foundation of our entire ecosystem. Erosion happens naturally, but the real issue arises when human activities accelerate the process. There are three big culprits: agriculture, deforestation, and urbanization. In agriculture, especially when we practice monoculture farming, we deplete the soil of essential nutrients. Without crop rotation or sustainable techniques, the soil becomes fragile and vulnerable. And then when rain comes or wind picks up, the soil is swept away. Deforestation is another major factor. When we clear trees, we not only remove the roots that anchor the soil, but we also disrupt entire ecosystems. The result? Erosion rates skyrocket. Urbanization leads to paved surfaces that absorb less water and increase runoff. This runoff leads to the soil being washed away at a faster rate, especially when there's inadequate planning for stormwater. The consequences of soil erosion and degradation are severe. First off, we lose fertile land that could otherwise grow food. This hits agriculture hard. Crop yields decrease and food prices rise. Secondly, when soil erodes, it doesn't just disappear into the air, it often gets carried into water bodies, increasing sedimentation. This not only clogs rivers, but also impacts water quality for both people and wildlife. Degraded soils are also less effective at holding water. This leads to lower water retention, causing the land to dry out quicker, even during regular rainfall. It's a vicious cycle, so what can we do about it? Fortunately, there are solutions, and they all revolve around one key principle: working with the land, not against it. Agroecology is an approach that integrates ecological principles into farming. It includes crop rotation, intercropping, and no-till farming, which all help maintain soil structure and health. Organic farming and composting add nutrients back into the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers that deplete it. In areas with hilly terrain, methods like terracing and contour plowing can slow down water runoff and keep the soil in place. These techniques create natural barriers that help the soil stay put during rainfall. One of the simplest and most effective ways to combat erosion is by planting trees. Their roots bind the soil and prevent it from being washed away. Reforestation not only combats erosion, but also brings back biodiversity and helps reduce carbon in the atmosphere. Cover crops like clover, rye, or legumes help hold the soil together and add organic matter back into the ground. Mulching is another great technique that keeps moisture in and shields the soil from harsh weather. In cities, we can reduce soil erosion by using green infrastructure such as rain gardens and permeable pavement to manage stormwater runoff more efficiently. This keeps water from flowing too quickly over the land and washing away the soil. Soil erosion and degradation might not always be visible, but their impact is everywhere. The good news is, by using sustainable land management practices, reforesting, and being mindful of how we use the land, we can prevent further damage and begin to restore the soil that our planet depends on. Now it's your turn. Share this video, and let's spread the word about how we can protect our soils for future generations. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Enviroscope for more environmental insights. See you next time.